work for it. I'm on my shit, and when I'm walking by, I know the truth is he wanna know.
What's up YouTube, it's LOVEEE and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm installing this wig. I decided to do my intro after I already installed it because yeah, this wig is by JaJa Hair. Wait, where's the bag? JaJa Hair sent me this wig. This wig is deep wave, 18 inches. Watch the video to see how much I love this hair. Like, I love this hair so much, even though I did struggle with the lace because it's not my color. It's like a darker brown color. That's the only thing, but make sure you watch the video so you can see how I did this glueless. I didn't use no glue. All I used was Got To Be Free Spray. And baby, she's giving very much like summertime. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and have your post notifications on when I post so you never miss a video. Everything for this wig will be in the description box, so yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so I already plucked the lace. I already bleached the knots. The only thing about this wig is that the lace itself is like a brown tint, and obviously as you can see I'm light skinned, so obviously I had to put makeup on it, but like, you guys see that? It matches more right here because I put makeup there, but I'm gonna be doing this Insta glueless today. I'm gonna be using my my Got To Be Free Spray because I never wore a closure wig before, so this is gonna be something new. But yeah, let me take this off. I already like put my edges back. So this is the bag that they sent the wig in. It says JaJa Hair in it, 100% human hair, obviously. This wig is 18 inches. So let me put this wig cap on because I look crazy. So inside of the bag, it actually came with 2 wig caps, which is really good. I love when the company sends like wig caps. I'm not sure if I actually want to put a wig cap on for this wig, only because it's a closure. You know, it's not like my whole entire hairline. I've seen people like wear wig caps underneath their wigs without cutting the actual cap. I think I might do that. Anyways, like I was saying, this hair is so soft. And I actually bleached the ends a little bit because I always do that with all my wigs. Like, well, not really all my wigs, but some of my wigs. When I'm bleaching the knots or whatever and I'm like mixing it, if I have leftover bleach, I literally just add it to the hair because, I don't know, like I like bleach hair. I'm not really like a fan of black hair, but we're gonna see because I'm starting to wear a lot more wigs and wigs come in that color, so I'm gonna like see if I get adjusted to it. Can you even see the bleach? Yeah, you can. I bleached the ends a little bit, just a little bit. I put my fingers through the wig, so that's why it's not like as defined, but I'm gonna obviously re-wet the wig. Let's see. The color of this lace, that's the only thing. You can't even make a dark lace light. Like, you can make a light lace dark, but the other way around. Where's my mirror? Yeah, so that's the only thing about this wig. It might be a little hard for this install. We're gonna make it work though. Yeah, I'm not gonna cut this wig cap because I could use this wig cap for another wig again, or the same wig, but without having to glue the wig cap on. So before I install the wig, I'm just gonna put some makeup on the wig cap around this area so it could blend easier. And I'm only putting it around here because it's a closure. I think it's a 4x4 closure. Alright, that should be good. I'm gonna put the wig on now and then I'm gonna glue it. Not glue it, spray it with the free spray. Guys, let's pray that this wig blends into my skin. And I really doubt that it is. Like, you could just, it's not going to. It's not, but we're gonna make it look nice. So before I glue it down, I'm actually gonna just like gel back this part. One thing I am gonna say about this wig, it was so easy to pluck. Like, certain wigs, you be having to sit there for mad long. I know this is a closure, so it's like a smaller lace, but like the hairline, it was so easy to pluck. I love that. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with my hot comb to make this flat. Alright, I'm gonna like put this hair back. I got these clips from Shein. You should go check out my Shein try-on haul. Okay, so now that I have the position where I want it to be, I'm gonna go with my free spray and I'm just gonna spray it. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna go in and like comb my hair back, because y'all know that free spray makes your hair get hard, so I don't want my hair to stay in that position. And something that I actually forgot to do is cut like these 2 things off. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Like the ends of the lace. I don't like that there. Yeah, see, that's better. So now I'm gonna go in with the second layer of the free spray and then I'm gonna let it dry. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking now. I really like the way I plucked the hairline. It was so easy to pluck. Okay, so now I'm gonna take like an eyebrow razor. You can either take an eyebrow razor or a pair of hair scissors, your choice. I've done both before, and honestly I don't even know which one I like better. I really don't even know which one I like better, so I'm just gonna try this one again. Let's see. I'm gonna cut it down the middle. Yo, this is not blending. I knew this was gonna happen. Guys, I don't even know what to do. This is not my color. Let me see if I could go in with makeup. I like the hair, don't get me wrong. I love the hair actually. It's just not my color. Yeah, there's nothing I could do about it. I'm gonna just cut it and we just gonna have to see. Let me see if I can add baby hair or something, because this lace is not my color at all. I wasn't planning on doing baby hairs, but I might have no choice. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add like 2 swoops for my edges real quick. I don't know, at this point. Okay, that wouldn't look too bad. Alright, so I did my edges. Something real calm, real light. We gonna make this work though. I promise y'all, I'm not going out the house looking crazy. Okay, so for this wig, I'm not even gonna like wrap it and stuff. I'm just gonna lay it down with Shears Balm hair wax stick, and then I'm gonna use a hot comb. The only reason why I'm not putting like the wrap thing around the lace is because it's literally a 4x4 closure. Like, I really wish this lace was my color, because it would have came out so much better. So now I'm gonna wet the hair. And don't worry, like if it's looking a little crazy under here, the hair is supposed to go down. That's what a closure wig is for, so yeah. Oh no, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put water in this side, and I'm gonna put mousse in this side and see which side is better. I lied. I'm gonna put water and mousse on both sides. Let me just stop experimenting. I love curly hair in the summer. Like, I've never had a curly wig. Believe it or not, JaJa hair, you gave me my first curly hair wig. So thank you so much for sending me this wig. And I'm so happy because, baby, it's summer, curls. And one thing about this hair, the curls revert back so good. Like, I don't know if that's like every curly hair wig, but oh my, I love this hair. And then I'm gonna add like a little bit of conditioner. I normally put like conditioner water into one spray bottle and spray it, but like, yeah, I'm gonna just like put some conditioner in my hand and like spread it out, and then like put my fingers through it. Conditioner with curly hair really is what makes the curls so defined and stuff. Yeah, let's add a little bit of mousse. I think the mousse is so the curls could stay defined. I'm not even sure, but y'all, look at the difference. Like, look at this and then look at this. I barely even did anything to this. All right, let's do the other side. I'm loving this. This is very much like summertime. Even though the lace is like not my color, the wig itself like still makes up for that. So, you know. Alright, come out. If I were to have to rate this wig, I would rate it a 9 only because of the lace not being my color. I feel like if the lace was my color, it would be a 10 out of 10. This is literally the softest hair I have ever installed into my hair, and I'm not lying. Like, don't think, oh, she's just saying that because they sent her this wig. No. Why every single video that I do there wants to be an ice cream truck outside of my house? Why? Every video, like, come on now, I'm tired of that. I'm loving this hair, JaJa. Stop playing. I like I don't like all the curls to be like all together, you know. I want it to be very much you know, like you put your fingers through it and stuff. Oh, I should have cut it into like a bob, like a curly bob. I might do that, not right now, but you know, like once I'm done wearing this wig like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that later. Y'all gonna see. Bro, the ice cream truck though, I'm over here looking like I want ice cream. And this hair barely sheds. I noticed that when I was bleaching the knots. You know, normally when you bleach knots, it sheds a little bit. It wasn't really shedding at all. Like, look. Nothing. Baby, nothing. Oh my god, that's crazy. No hairs is coming out. This is the first wig I've ever had that didn't shed. Okay, I'm gonna do like a little close up. Wait, can you see the hair? All right. Y'all see the hair? Y'all see it? Y'all see? JaJa, y'all did that. The only thing is this lace. I already said that, so y'all already know how I feel about the lace right now. But the hair, baby. Everything for this wig will be in the description box below, so make sure you get yourself a wig, okay? No shedding. Come on now. No shedding. And I bleached the ends a little bit. And I just love how defined these curls are. Like, yeah, so like I said, if you like this wig, the link and everything, like all the information for this wig will be in the description box, so make sure you click the link. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down more hairstyles you want me to try. I'm trying every single hairstyle, like curly, straight, colors. Comment down what colors y'all want to see on me, because y'all know I love colored hair. If you a company and you watching this, send me some 613 hair, okay? I love 613 hair because I just love doing like colors. But yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 100K, period. So I'll see you guys in my next video.